Head and neck cancers are predominantly caused by tobacco, alcohol, and other uh, examples like other causes like HPV, or for that matter, a betel nut, that is supari. ये this cancer, ये causative factors will amount to 90% of all oral cancers. बट जो 10% बाकी है, 100 में से 90% कैंसर इज बिकॉज ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड स्मोकिंग और टबैको, लेकिन जो 10% है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ जेनेटिक चेंजेस. दिस जेनेटिक चेंजेस आर समटाइम्स हेरिडिटरी, यानी इट इज पासिंग फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अदर जनरेशन. Excuse me. Because it is passing from one generation to other generation, they are called hereditary, and they will present at a very early age, that is at the age of 5, 6 and beyond. So you will have cancers before the age of 20. 20 साल की उम्र के पहले ही आपको मिल जाएगा ये कैंसर देखने को, एंड ये जनरेशन्स कूदता है. ओके, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन में ये आता है, एंड पेशेंट विल हैव रिकरेंट कैंसर्स, नॉट जस्ट मुंह के कैंसर्स बट पेट के कैंसर्स, ब्रेस्ट के कैंसर्स. पेशेंट कैन ऑल्सो हैव कैंसर्स ऑफ इंटेस्टीन, स्टमक कैंसर्स, या फिर स्किन कैंसर्स भी हो जाते हैं. बहुत कॉमन है इन सब में. फॉर एग्जांपल बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा है या स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा है. दिस आर ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ जेनेटिक चेंजेस which will develop on the skin and oral cavity. They will also have thyroid cancers. There are various syndromes which we need not go in detail, but we are supposed to be aware that yes, cancer can also arise in the age which is less than 20 years. I am Dr. Snehal Shah. I am a head and neck cancer surgeon. I do robotics, and I am also a certified tobacco sensitive specialist. I fight a tobacco crusade because I know that tobacco is a knife which cuts the life. So coming back to our own question, that genetic changes do happen, but those which are induced by chemical will account to 90%, but those which are passed from one generation to another, those can be hereditary, like Bloom syndrome, ataxia, so forth and so ahead. So to know more about these genetic conditions which can lead to cancer, please do visit my website. Thank you so much.